first industry I want to talk about. Over $5 billion in TV and film. And it's an interesting thing about that. When 50 Cent got started, he had a manager that had already made inroads into the film industry. Now, when you're thinking about hip-hop and film, hip-hop industry hadn't really made a lot of headway into the film industry. We had a few movies here and there, but it wasn't like a multi-billion-dollar thing. Well, when Eminem came out with 8 Mile for Brian Grazer, that was a touch point, right? So they were like, well, 50 Cent should do hits. So that would be Get Rich or Die Trying. But that wasn't really the thing that really broke them open. What was in Get Rich or Die Trying that was exciting was they had incredible infrastructure in that movie. Paramount Pictures, Terry Winter, the writer for The Sopranos, a lot of great producers, and 50 Cent is always an astute student. So here's this handsome gentleman here, and here I am on the set of a video with 50 Cent, and here is Jesse Terrell, right? Now, he will be important because he would direct a movie for 50 Cent called Gun. This Gun movie was part of a $250 million overall deal with Grindstone Lionsgate. Now, this Grindstone Lionsgate deal occurred before Power got on Stars. And he had a partner named Randy Amos. They had a little tiff on social media. But as you see here, he's engaged. He would also partner with a lot of box office stars like Bruce Willis, Val Kilmer, several actors, and he would generate and his movies would generate over $500 million in the box office. Now, Power got greenlit in 2013. Now I'm getting down to how they did that. So Power got created in 2013. G-Unit Films was created in 2003, the year that he launched Get Rich or Die Trying, his debut album. Now when Power so G-Unit TV and Films was brought back out in 2010. Now, in that, he first started Cheetah Films, doing those deals, got to understand A-list actors. Some of the financing was creative too. He was getting real estate investors, people in the healthcare industry, trying to understand how do you finance movies, right? So now he has G-Unit TV and Films. They get Stars Network. He hires the writer, one of the writers from The Good Wife. And then he also partners with his old partner from Cheetah Films. And in 2014, they launched that. Stars Network was able to get 4 million new subscribers, and now it's over 8 million new subscribers as a result of Power. Power is the most watched show on Stars Network. Now that created incredible value in the Stars Network. Lionsgate in 2016 would acquire the Stars Network, with Power being the #1 show, for $4.4 billion. CBS would want to acquire Stars because CBS was also a co-production partner via the CBS television on Power. So they will make an offer for $5 billion, and Lionsgate would decline and say, no, we think Stars is worth $5.5 billion. But all of this has 50 Cent at the intersection because he has the top-rated show, started from scratch, right? Now let's talk about footwear. And here's an autographed pair of G